Legal and illegal drugs. In this video, we are going to look at effects of drugs on human body, recreational drugs, solvents, alcohols, depressants, stimulants, hallucinogens. A drug is a chemical substance that affects the normal function of a living organism when it enters the body. Addiction to a drug can significantly impact both a person's physical and mental health. Drugs affect many life processes in the human body, like respiration, reproduction, movement, sensitivity, nutrition, excretion, and growth. The prolonged usage of drugs can also affect the liver, kidneys, and brain. Legal versus illegal drugs. Drugs can be legal or illegal. A legal drug is any drug or substance that has been lawfully obtained within the country or region. It includes prescription drugs and over-the-counter drugs. Both antibiotics and aspirin fall under the category of legal drugs. While antibiotics are typically prescribed by healthcare providers, aspirin can be obtained over-the-counter in many places. Recreational drugs are substances that people use primarily for pleasure, relaxation, or to alter their mental state, rather than for medicinal purposes. These drugs can either be legal or illegal depending on the laws and regulations of a particular country or region. Cannabis and speed are considered illegal drugs in many countries worldwide. Solvents. A solvent is a chemical substance that can dissolve another substance to form a solution. Many household substances like paint, glue, ink, and aerosols contain solvents. Solvents can cause hallucinations if they are used as recreational drugs. They can also cause harm to the liver, brain, kidneys, and lungs. Alcohol. Alcohol is found in beverages like beer, wine, and spirits. In many countries, alcoholic beverages can be sold to only those aged 18 and above. Alcohol is a poison, and prolonged consumption can cause damage to many organs, including the liver, brain, heart, and pancreas. It can also lead to cancer. Driving a vehicle after consuming alcohol might cause accidents. Depressants, stimulants, and hallucinogens. A depressant slows down the nervous system and reduces the brain's activity, resulting in reduced reaction time, causing accidents and inability to do normal functions. Though heroin was initially developed as a painkiller, soon it was discovered to be highly addictive and was subsequently classified as an illegal drug. On the other hand, alcohol is a legal depressant that affects the central nervous system. It is widely available and socially accepted in many cultures. However, excessive or prolonged use can result in addiction, liver damage, impaired judgment, with various other health complications. Barbiturates can help you to get sleep by relieving anxiety and muscle spasms, and they belong to the category of depressants. Stimulants increase the activity of the central nervous system. Caffeine is a stimulant found in coffee and tea. Though it makes you more alert and speeds up your nervous system, overconsumption might affect your sleep. Hallucinogens are psychoactive drugs that can significantly affect an individual's thoughts, feelings, and perception. Ecstasy is a hallucinogen, as it provides a sense of boundless energy. It is considered an illegal drug, as it can cause severe depression, paranoia, and other psychological problems. Also, LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, is a powerful hallucinogenic drug that can alter a person's perception, thoughts, and emotions.